What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is gonna be a great day. So me and the brother-in-law back there, I don't know if you can see him, but we are headed to the Crossroads Harley Davidson. They're having a little event, end of the month event is what they're calling it. So we're gonna head over there, man, and check out the new bikes though as well. But today is gonna be a video on my boy Bubba's. So if y'all been following me, man, and following everything on Instagram, y'all know that Bubba has a lady pulled out in front of him and ended up getting into a motorcycle accident and ended up having his foot amputated, right? So that was probably a little over a month ago. So, you know, if you feel it in your heart, man, to help Bubba out, because he's gonna have a lot of things ahead of him, right? He's still got to pay his bills. He's not able to work, but the GoFundMe for his stuff is gonna be down below in the description. So there's the brother-in-law. What's happening, brother-in-law? Yeah, baby. So we are gonna talk about how Bubba's doing, man. So I am so happy. Bubba is so blessed. We are so blessed. He is doing really well, man. He's been going to physical therapy. He still can't stand on his foot yet, so he's been in wheelchair to be able to get around long distances. He's got a little walker that he uses around the house, and but he's doing well, man. His spirits are still super high. He is doing really good as far as his mindset. Bubba he's a strong dude, man, and of course it helps that he's got a strong woman behind him as well. His fiance Gracie, man, she is super helpful. She helps him out with everything, and so she is there for him 100% along with us, his family, man. So he's doing good. Again, he's going to physical therapy, I think 3 times a week now. He just went to a wound therapist, which he thought he told me, he was like, Dad, I thought it was gonna be like in an oxygen chamber is what I thought. I read about a wound therapist, and I think that's what they called it. He goes, but yeah, no, when I got there, all they did was they ended up removing all the scabs off of his nub down there, right, his foot, and they removed all the scabs and cleaned it up really good. And I was like, holy shit, bro. I said, dude, did it hurt? He was like, oh yeah, a little bit. I said, I bet, man. So, but it's healing really well. The doctor's very happy how it's healing. It looks really good, man. So we're just super happy that everything's working out for him. And he's not having to go back and have any kind of other surgeries. Of course, you know, the doctor was concerned with doing the amputation down at the foot. He was concerned that he would have to go higher up if there ended up being an infection and everything, but nothing, man. No infection. Like I said, he's happy with the way it's healing. But he just can't stand on it just yet. So, but that's coming. I know that's coming, man. It's not going to take Bubba long. Bubba gets married in October, so he's got something to look forward to work forward to, and he's doing it. He's doing his thing, man. So that's amazing. He went to his fiance's graduation the other weekend, so he did that. Here's some pictures of that. You know, we had a good time there supporting her. She is actually going to be a teacher, so congratulations, Gracie. We love you, and we're super proud of you. So, you know, he's doing good. We also today is 5/28. Tomorrow's Sunday. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday the 29th. We're going to a little crawfish place over in Tomball, man. So here's some pictures of that. Bubba came and hung out with us at that, and was able to hang out with us and eat some crawfish, and we just had a good old time, man. So that was dope. He still has a lot of he's still having some pains, not as bad as it was, he said, so that's good. Mainly a lot at nighttime, I think is what he's telling me. So it kind of keeps him up a little bit, but he's off the pain medicine, which is good. So he's not having to take that as much. And but he said also that pain medicine that they gave him really wasn't doing too much anything. So he ended up, it's basically just feeling the same as it was. But he's doing really a lot better than what I would be doing, you know what I mean? And that's a testament to my son's mental state and his heart, man. He's got some drive on him, you know what I'm saying? So and those of y'all that know Bubba actually know how he is, man. He's a strong kid. My son's only 22 years old. He'll be 23 this June. And yeah, it was rough when we got a call, man, and he called me, but it was rough, man. But we're good now. We are good now. So super stoked, super happy for him. He ended up getting word on his bike. So his bike, we took it to the dealership over at the Premium Woodlands Premium Power Sports, I think is what it's called, the BMW dealership over in the Woodlands, off right before 242, and that's where we took his bike. They ended up paying, you know, the bike was totaled. I think the total cost that they were saying it was going to cost to fix was 21 grand. They valued the bike at 15. So being financially responsible that my son is, actually got the bike paid down quite a bit, so he was able to get a little bit of money off of that to help him. So that's good. And so yeah, man, like I said, it's, you know, Gracie's not working yet. She's supposed to start working the beginning of school, I think, which is August, I guess, is when school starts back up. So she'll be working then, thank God. That'll help them out. But again, you know, Bubba, he was the breadwinner of the family, you know what I'm saying? So they've got a lot of bills, man. They've got an apartment together, and of course they got still car notes, insurance, and all that good stuff. So again, if you feel it in your heart and you want to help him out, man, him and his fiance, the GoFundMe link is down below. Just give it a click, or even just sharing it would be greatly appreciated, you know what I'm saying? So I've been trying to do an update on him here and there, just to give everybody that has reached out and asked about him an update. I know it's hard for me to reach out to everybody that's reached out to us trying to find out how he's doing. So I do it here and I do it on Instagram, and so that way everybody that has reached out to me about him will know how he's doing. And he's doing amazing. He's doing amazing. I love my son, man. I love my kids. I got a daughter as well. So I'm just super happy and so blessed that Bubba's still with us. And he still wants to ride. So we talked not too long ago, man, about how he felt about riding still. And like I've said before, it's in our blood. This accident hasn't deterred him from riding. He wants to get another bike eventually, and he will. So I'm happy about that. I mean, the riding is in our blood, man. It's in our blood. So can't stop him. Can't stop him and won't stop him. But yeah. Let's see what else about Bubba's. The wound therapy is going good. Physical therapy he's doing more physical therapy for his back. He's been having some issues after the accident with his back, but the wound therapy is going good, and I think they're about to send him for an MRI on his back to make sure there's no kind of dislocated or ruptured disc or anything, right? Make sure there's no herniated disc. So he'll be going for that soon. And I think that's it, man. I mean, I want to get him on here and just sit down with him and talk with him. But again, you know, he's getting out more now than what he was, which is really good. but he still hasn't gotten to the point to where he can be out all day and not have to worry about the pain later on. So like when he does go out all day, like for Gracie's graduation, man, the next day he was hurting pretty good. So I don't want to rush him on it. So whenever he's ready, I know he'll want to make a video with me, because he's already told me that's what he wants to do. So we'll make a video and just talking about everything, man, talking about how he's feeling and talking about how he's doing, and you know, the whole process that he's had to go through, and it'll be good. It'll be good. So just wait for that, man. That'll be coming soon. That'll be coming real soon. So but yeah, so again, I just wanted to give everybody an update, man, on how Bubba's doing. And if you have any questions about Bubba, man, just, you know, shoot them to me. Let me know. I'll get back with you. But hit me up on Instagram or here in the comments on YouTube. Or if you've been through something like this, hit me up. Or you know somebody that's been through something like this, let me know, man. Because I know it's still going to be a long road ahead of us, right? Ahead of him. And but you know, with God's help and his direction, man, Bubba's not gonna have any issues. So it's all good. It's all good. So there you go, man. It's an update on Bubba. Again, we're headed to this Crossroads Harley dealership, Crossroads Harley Davidson. So we're gonna be over here hanging out, and yeah, I just wanted to let everybody know how he was doing. I'll post pictures on my Instagram too, like if we hang out, I'll post a picture if we do something, man. So go check me out on Instagram at knucklestv. So there you go. All right, kinfolk, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that that helps you out if you were wondering how Bubba was doing. And that's it. So until next time, until the next update, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.